Hey guys, today we're going to talk a little bit about the alphabet and how we use the alphabet to make our name. Now, there are 26 letters of the alphabet. I bet you know them. Let's just go ahead and say them. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And I notice when I look at those letters of the alphabet that there are two ways to make each letter. I have a capital way to make the letter. This is the tall letter. And I have a lowercase way to make each letter. That is the shorter, well, some of them are tall, like B is tall, but usually it's the shorter way to make the letter. When you make your name, you're going to use a capital letter at the beginning, and all of the rest of the letters should be lowercase. So today we're going to practice making our name. You're going to flip through the slides. When I look at the slide, I notice that every slide starts with a different capital letter. If your name starts with capital A, if A is the first letter of your name, you're going to need the capital A slide. If it starts with capital B, you need that slide, and so on. You're going to flip through all of the slides until you find the first letter of your name. When you find the name that the letter that your name starts with, you can stop. That's going to be the slide you're going to use. Let's see. I'm going to make my daughter's name today. My daughter's name is Kendall, and Kendall is going to start with capital K. So I've got capital K slide, and now I'm ready to make Kendall. What I'm going to do is I'm going to find what letter comes next, and I'm going to slide it down. To make Kendall, I need K, E, N, D, A, L, L. See how I'm getting all the letters in the box? And I'm trying to get them so they're not up, down, up, down, up, down. Kind of like when I write my name, how all the letters would be sitting at the bottom. So I want you to go ahead, find the name, that letter that your name starts with, and make your name.